What's up, everybody? Just wanted to show you the new dash cam I've picked up. Love it so much I picked up two. One for my personal vehicle SUV, one for my work, Mack diesel truck. It's a flatbed. This thing is really cool. This is the flatbed. Look at it, it's really light, it's really cool. It has loop recording, holds up to 128 gigabytes. The quality on this is super. It's 1080p, but it's HD 1080p. It's crystal clear, connects to the phone with ease. I know a lot of people said they couldn't connect to the phone when they started it up or opened the app. No problem with the iPhone. So that was my work truck. Here's my personal vehicle. Have it hooked up in there as well. And like I said, when I open up the app, it connects automatically. I don't have to worry about going to it to connect it, and it works flawlessly. You see some video right here. You can either let it record, and if you crash into something, you have settings to where it'll automatically save, but there's also a button that you can push that'll actually save the spot for you. So I think that's really neat. Like these clips here, I just push the button and it's saved. I notice when you push the button, it'll save the last 30 seconds recorded, and then 30 seconds from when you push it. From what I gathered, it seems like it does that, but every time you click that button to save a setting or a clip anyway, it's a minute long that it saves. I have it set to a minute recording, so it records all day, but it records in minute clips, and there's a bunch of them, so I think it makes it easier to find. You can also record in like a few minute clip, 5-minute clips. It's whatever you decide to do. Bear with me, I'm doing a voiceover. I have my Invisalign in, so yeah, Invisalign, getting used to it. Anyway, I made this video the other day just trying to show off. The video doesn't do it justice, but I turned down the wrong street and it's a school. It's school let out, so I had to drive that big old truck through there. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Let's get to the last clip, and that's me driving my personal vehicle, the SUV, at 7:20 a.m. So it's not really complete darkness or anything, but this gives you an idea of the quality. And if it was at total darkness, I'm sure that would be just fine. Just the quality alone looks a lot better than my more expensive dash cam, so I tossed that and I'm rocking these. Give it the thumbs up if this helped. Thanks for the support, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace out.